everybody, it's Claire here from Sewing by Claire, and as a fellow Lilly Rose Doll lover, I'm here to bring you some sew along videos in order to provide that little bit extra help if you need it along the way. The videos are aimed at beginner and improver sewists, and so there should be a little something for everybody in there. And we'll start by talking about the pattern, working with the felt, cutting out, constructing the body and the limbs. Then we'll move on to the individual characters because their heads are what make them all perfectly individual. And then after we've got a completed character, then we'll be moving on to the clothes. And as I bring you more sew along videos, they should build up into a useful reference for you, depending on whichever character you're making. So I just want to say a big thank you to Richard and to Claire for allowing me to bring these videos to you. And if you want to pop along to my YouTube channel, which is where the videos are all held, then you'll just need to search for Claire England 1, and I'll put a note at the top of the screen here for you so you can find that. There's also a link below this video to the playlist for Lilly Rose Dolls, and that will include all of the characters and all of the clothes that I have got at any given time. At the moment, I've just got my first sew along videos, which was for Clara the cat, and her body, her head and her clothes are all there for you already. And then over 2024, I'll be making more and more characters and bring those to you and release those as I can. I aim to release one video a week, usually around about Friday, so it's there in time for the weekend for you. That's real life permitting, of course, but I do try to do that. So you won't be inundated with videos. They just should build up gradually throughout the years and provide that useful reference for you. If you become a subscriber to my channel, then you'll be able to see what videos are available. But also, if you click on the notification bell next to the subscriber button, then you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. At the moment, there's over 100 videos on my channel for sew-alongs, including doll making and home decor, quilting, a little cross stitch as well, and dressmaking, which I nearly forgot them. So there should be plenty for anybody to keep you interested, and whether or not you want to follow everything step by step within my videos, or whether you just want to jump into a specific section, or if you want to fast forward through sections, then that's absolutely fine. I'll never know. So you'll be able to just dip in and out as and when you wish, but you can have the confidence that the videos are there to help you if you need them. I hope you'll join me in making your Lilly Rose doll extra special, and that you'll have great fun along the way. So I'll see you all soon. Take care. Happy stitching. Bye.